Assalamu Walaikum.
Hello friends, how are you?
Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to join two pictures in PowerPoint.
Let's get started. At first you have to open a PowerPoint presentation.
Now you want to join two pictures. At first go to the home menu. Select the new slide option and create a blank slide. Then we go to the insert menu and choose picture. Then choose picture from your file. Now I am select the image. Then press Ctrl on our keyboard to select multiple image. Then click insert. Then wait some moment. Now we can see we insert two image. Now we want to join the two image, move the image and join. Then we make the image one, select the first image, then press shift on our keyboard and go to the format menu and select the group option. Now we can see we join two image very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.